Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. A student sent in a request for the song La Cucaracha. Da 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 da. I'm going to show you in this video how to learn the song by ear. And we'll follow the same principles that I cover over on AccordionLove.com, which is we're going to listen to it, we're going to figure out the melody of the song, and then we'll derive the chords, and I'll show you how to do those steps. So again, use sheet music if you have it, but let me show you how to really understand the song and then how to make the song your own. So I have La Cucaracha pulled up on this YouTube video. I'll link it in the description. Let's listen and follow those steps. Good. So ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Wonderful. That's the first note. Da-da-da. We have an E note. What chord contains the E note? An E major. It's also a part of an A major. And that's about it, right? Those are the two major chords that the E note is a part of. So let's try playing. I'm pressing the E major on my left hand. La Cuca. Wonderful. Ta-da-da. So a few things are happening. E major is one of the notes, one of the chords in the song, which means the song is likely going to be in A major or in B major, because if E is very close to where the song wants to resolve to, and I'm going to go so far as to say in E7. Sorry. There, E7 wants to resolve to an A major. Let's test it out. Do you hear that? That resolution of tension. E7, La Cuca. There's tension, it wants to resolve. Ta-da. That's correct. The first notes of the song are da 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 ba 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 ba. Three notes that give us the main lyrics of the song. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Wonderful. The other thing that I'm noticing is that in an A major chord, the notes of the A major are A, C sharp, and E. I have lessons on Accordion Love on figuring out major and minor chords. And one of the principles of learning songs is that the melody of the song is not even hidden. The melody of the song is contained within the chords of the song. So, La Cuca, we're given the melody E, 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 and it's part of the E major chord. E, E, E. And now we're in an A major, and I bet you that the notes, the melody, will contain the notes from the A major chord, which are going to be A, C sharp, and E. So, ba, 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 ba. There they are. E, A, C sharp. In order. La cucaracha, do da 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 da. Next. Wonderful. Back to an E major. The next notes, because we're in E major, I bet you again, I don't have to bet, it's probably correct, that the notes will be the E major chord. It's given to us. The melody is given to you. It's E, G sharp, and B, which is an E major chord. To end, da 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 da. Use a playback exercise, blog post linked below. E major, A major. There's the verse of the song. A major, A major, A major to E, E major, E major, E major to the A, And knowing that, your 15 minutes of practice are the A major triads and arpeggios. Together and broken. And E major triads and arpeggios. Your left hand exercise, moving back and forth between A major oompa to E major oompa. Even better, do it to the song. Play along with this backing track, with the actual recording. Da 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 ba 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 da 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 da. Good. Let's continue because I know there's another part to the song. I'm just gonna fast forward. Ba da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. In A major. Again, I'm going right away to the notes of that A major. Ba 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 ba. E to the C sharp. Da 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 ba. Da 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 ba. So beautiful. So because we're going from the A major to the E7, the E7 has that D, so probably repeats. I don't know that part of the song, but I'm assuming it's something along those lines. So again, 2 chords in this song, A major and E major. The advantage of learning a song this way is right now you understand that the song has 2 chords. You understand how to practice it. You don't necessarily need the sheet music because you know that the notes of those chords is the melody of the song. It also opens up an entire world for improvisation. I don't need the headphones anymore. I don't need to listen. But again, now we open up in the beyond the basic section of Accordion Love. We know that the additional notes of the melody can be derived from the chord. So, right, we can add more notes. We can add triplets, right? So again, we're playing around with 2 chords, with A major and E major. It also means that we know that these are the 2 chords of the song, from down to up, from down to up, from down to up. We could transpose that. We could take C major to G major, C major to G major, right? C major. So G. Because I know the melody is a G major chord. The other thing that this opens up is we're allowed to play around with the rhythm. Because we know that it's 2 chords, I would suggest starting off simply with just oompa oompa, but really we could do it as a waltz. Right? Etc. We could do it as a tango. Let's do a bigger bass sound. We can get more more creative with the bass side. I have full lessons on all of these techniques, how to figure out a song, how to use the power of chords to drive the melody, how to take your playing beyond the basics over on accordionlove.com. There's a free 3-day trial. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks Denise for this request. Bye-bye.